Hello people, this is Bear from our Wave, and today is December 26th. Hope you all had a great Christmas. And as you can see, we're going to update the gold account. Now, to be fair, as you guys know, I've been away from YouTube for a while, and I will try to stick to being consistent. So if you appreciate my work, I would highly appreciate if you guys could leave a like and subscribe if you want to, you want to stay updated and want to know more about the markets. Now, that other way, I haven't touched my gold account. So everything you see basically is me telling myself, oh, look, Barrett, you were right. Now, that obviously does not help as, okay, I was right. Now, what's next? And that's what we're trying to do today. We're trying to understand what could be happening in the future. Now, for reference, I would, I need to be organized. Okay, so for reference, here's where we could be standing. Okay, so now with gold, it's always the same story. Gold's been traded ever since the 1500, even earlier. There is data, I think, for 15 to 1600. Is that reliable? I don't know. But for the sake of this video, as well as what I believe is reasonable in relative terms, is we can see that this is the largest pullback ever that we have in, let's say, in the 1900s. And this one is the second largest. So, what does it mean? It means that most likely we are now in at least 1 degree lower than this. Now, the question is, so let's assume this is a 1-2, which possible, highly possible. Then here we could be having some sort of 1-2 and upside. So we could be within this way 3. What does that mean? It means that we're going up. Now, am I right? Am I wrong? Time will tell. However, so far so good, and I don't see any reason to be bearish. Now, another question you could be asking yourself is, okay, Barrett, are you sure wave 1 is here? Could this be 1, 2, 3, 4, up in 5 of wave 1? Yes, it could. However, 1, sharp 2, sideways 2, sharp 4, up in 5, ABC, wave C ends near the area of the 4. That would be and then we would also break all-time high, pull back, move higher. That would be textbook Elliott wave move. Now, if I'm wrong, I don't think I have an alternate counts for that. That shows. Don't even know what that is. Okay. Oops, what have I just done? Okay, sorry. Panic for a second. So, if I am wrong, and let's say wave 1 goes here, then we're still missing some more upside. At least one more wave higher to then pull back. And that could happen easily at 3000. And at that point, the most bearish scenario that I see is this. Top in 1, ABC in 2, near the area of the 4, because, wait, let's do this, Barrett. Okay, people, so let's do it together. So primary 1 completed. Okay, so what I'm saying is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Primary. Awesome. Perfect. Let's call it primary 1 on the way. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So, and this could be, and we're going to investigate in just a second. Be patient. You can always skip ahead. I won't get mad, I promise. I'll only cry in my room. Because you haven't watched all of it. I'm just kidding, guys. I appreciate you watching, if you're still watching. 1, 2, 3, and it will be about time to leave a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It makes me happier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna investigate this in just a second. That could also make sense. Now we could be near wave 3, 4, and 5. So 3,000 would be ideal for a larger pullback. Now, which one is it going to be? I have no idea. I think I'm going to stick to this one. But for the short term, the good thing is that they are suggesting the same thing. Now, let's get rid of this. Let's do it together. Okay, so that. Perfect. Okay, so what do I have in here? So in here, I have, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, 1, 2. I think we talked about this. Let's do this. We talked about this 1, 2 in the previous videos. This is ugly. Yes, I know it is ugly. Then I also said, if you remember, if you go on the line chart, it looks like less ugly. But I also said, look, if you it's kind of cheating. So you either do everything using bars or candles. So you also look at the lows and highs, or just do everything on the close. So you got to be fair to yourself. But still, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Everything has been moving as expected. I think last time around, what was it, October? I think we were here. Yeah, October might have been the last update. So far so good. My honest, don't like this issue on the daily. Okay, so all I can say is, look, this could be done. So let's look at Fibonacci targets. So let's measure. Look at this. This would be a textbook wave 3, 1.618 resistance as expected. We topped at almost 2,800. So 8 is a very strong number. It's a profit-taking number. Now this could continue sideways, or we could be in some sort of wave B. To be honest, wave B could already be here, and we move a bit lower towards. I would watch closely 2,500. I would like to see support on 2,500, and that could come in the form of boom touch, or it could come in the form of consolidation. So, but I would like to see support on top of 2,500. Sorry. So okay, wave 3 target met. Let's look at this. Awesome. So we're near this trend channel. What does, if for those who may not be familiar, you connect 1 and 3, project into 2, you get your estimate for wave 4. Now, if it's a strong trend, many times wave 4 will fall within the middle line of this channel. And as you can see, this middle line has been respected several times. Now, sorry, let me leave it. That's possible. I mean, to be honest, guys, all I can say is wave B could be here. Let me zoom in a bit, because I realize I'm on my monitor, but if you're on your phone or you have a small laptop, ABC in wave B, possible. Downside, possible. ABC, down. So A, B, C of B, down. That's also possible. Sideways, it's also possible. Which one is it going to be? I have no idea. They're corrections. What I know is I'm pretty confident saying this is correction, and it's not going to be a major one. So I'm not forecasting something like this. Can I be wrong? Yes. Can I be right? Absolutely. Will I be right? I don't know. So far I have. Doesn't mean I'm going to be once again. But so far I feel pretty confident in what I just said. Now, as usual, obviously none of this is or will be financial advice. But that's my, that's what my trained eyes see. With that, people, I appreciate you watching. Any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.